this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the green screen from a video in Canva. So we're going to start by creating a new video template. I'm just going to select this landscape video here. Now what you need to do is go and upload your video with the green screen. So let's say we wanted to remove the green screen from this video here. Well, what we're going to do is first import the video into our timeline like this. Once you have the video selected, you'll see this option at the top called BG Remover. Go and click on that. And as you can see, this will remove the green background from the video. Now, once you've finished, you can click on Edit in the top navigation, and you can also apply some filters to your video. So you can click on this See All button here to go and see all of the different filters. Now, you will need Canva Premium in order to go and remove this background. If you don't already have this, then you can just go and sign up for a free trial. And of course, you can cancel once you've removed the green screen. Now, another way you can do this is by opening up an internet browser and just typing in remove green screen video and then press enter. You can then scroll down to this website here, unscreen.com. You can click on the upload clip button and go and upload the video that you want to remove the background from. Once you've uploaded your video, this is going to automatically remove the background. And from here, we can press download, and then you can just go in, re-upload that to your Canva project. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.